Hello children, hope you are all doing good. I have seen your homeworks, you did it well, very good. Likewise, do your homework regularly, okay children? Children, have you all learnt which I have taught you in the previous classes? Let us write a small test, okay children? Yeah, take your test notes, that is your physics note. Take your physics note, put today's date, mention as test. So the first question, energy due to the movement of electrons is dash. Energy due to the movement of electrons is dash. And then second one, plants require dash for the process of photosynthesis. Plants require dash energy for the process of photosynthesis. And then third one, dash are used to separate the scrap iron from waste materials. Dash are used to separate the scrap iron from waste materials. And then fourth one, mechanical energy equal to dash. Options U plus K or K plus H. Okay. Mechanical energy equal to dash. Options U plus K or K plus H. And then fifth one, fossil fuel and food are dash energy. Fossil fuel and food are dash energy. Okay children, have you all written? So very good. Keep your notes aside, okay? You should send this along with your homework, okay children? You should send this test along with your homework. Let us recall, okay? So what we have learned in the previous classes? We have learnt about energy, is it? So what is meant by energy? Energy is the capacity or ability to do work, okay? So it is a physical quantity and also its SI unit is joule, okay children? Energy is the capacity or ability to do work, okay children? And then we have learnt about various forms of energy. The children, mechanical energy, chemical energy, light energy, electrical energy, heat energy and magnetic energy. The children. And then we have left nuclear energy and sound energy. Okay children, we will learn this in this class. Okay. So what is mechanical energy? Mechanical energy is the sum of potential energy plus kinetic energy. Okay children, so what is potential energy? Potential energy means energy due to its position. Okay. Kinetic energy means energy due to its motion. Okay children, so mechanical energy means the sum of potential energy plus kinetic energy. Okay children, and then energy associated with motion and position of object is called mechanical energy. Okay children, energy associated with the motion and position of objects is called mechanical energy, and mechanical energy equal to the sum of kinetic energy plus potential energy. Okay children, and then chemical energy. Okay, what does mean by chemical energy? Chemical energy is the energy stored in matter. Okay children, chemical energy is the energy stored in matter. Okay, and also it is stored in chemical bonds. Okay, it is stored in matter and also it is stored in chemical bonds. Okay children, and we have chemical energy from the we get chemical energy from the fossil fuels. Okay, fossil fuels like petrol, diesel, coal. Okay, and also the chemical energy for the human being is get by the food. Okay, the food we are eating will gives us the chemical energy. Okay, children. Okay, and then the next type of energy is heat energy. Okay, children, heat energy. What does mean by heat energy? Simply heat energy means it transfers the heat from the warm object to the cooler object. Okay, children, it transfers the warm object. Okay, it transfers the heat energy from warm object to the cooler objects. Okay, that is called heat energy. Okay, children, energy which transfers from warm object to cooler object is called heat energy. Okay, and then the next form of energy is light energy. Okay, children, the important source of light energy is sun. Okay, sun, electric bulb, LED lights and candles. Okay, these are all the sources of electric energy. Okay, children, okay, we need, okay, human beings, we need light to see the world. Is it, children? Okay, as like this, plants also require light energy for the process of photosynthesis. Okay, plants require light energy for the process of photosynthesis, and also we need light energy to convert the photographic films. Okay, photographic films to photographs. Okay, so for that also we need the light energy. Okay, children, and then so we know, is it, children, when light energy falls on the photographic film, it causes the chemical change to take place and images are recorded on the photographic films. Okay, children, and the next form is electrical energy. Okay, how will you get the electrical energy? The electrical energy comes from the circuit. Okay, electrical circuits, power station, electrical power stations through the circuit. Okay, children, it is generated due to the movement of electrons. Okay, it is generated due to the movement of electrons through a wire or circuit. Okay, so that is called electrical energy. Okay, what are all the appliances we use with the use of electrical energy? Light, fan, electric train, bike. Okay, like these are all the appliances we are using with the help of electrical energy. Okay, children, so the energy generated due to the movement of electrons through a wire or circuit is called electrical energy. Okay, children, and then we learnt about magnetic energy. So, children, so what is meant by this magnetic energy? If the magnet is attracted by any iron or needle, means we can say there is a magnetic energy. Okay, children, and then we have learnt about the electromagnet. Is it, children? So what is meant by electromagnet? We need the electromagnet to separate the scrap iron from waste materials. Okay, we need electromagnets to separate the scrap ions from the waste materials. Okay, children, and then in this class we'll first learn about nuclear energy. Okay, children, first of all, have you learnt about this nuclear energy anywhere? Have you heard this word nuclear energy? You might have heard about Hiroshima and Nagasaki, is it? By throwing the atom bombs, the two cities were destroyed, is it? Okay, only by this nuclear energy. Okay, we can call this nuclear energy as atomic energy. Okay, children, by throwing the atomic bombs, only that Hiroshima and Nagasaki were destroyed. Okay, so you might have heard about this nuclear energy there. Okay, and also nowadays we can hear இரண்டாம் அணு உலை வெடித்து சிதறியது. Likewise, you can hear, is it, children? That is called that anu ulai. Okay, we are going to learn about that anu ulai. Okay, in this nuclear energy. Okay, children, we can call this nuclear energy as atomic energy. Okay, we will not use this energy in our day-to-day life. Okay, But this is also another form of energy. We can produce electricity. Okay, we can produce electricity by using this form also. Okay, that is called nuclear energy. Okay, children, we can produce electricity by the use of nuclear energy. Okay, children, so nuclear energy, okay, it has two types of forces. Okay, that is nuclear fusion and nuclear fission. Okay, children, this nuclear energy consists of two types of forces. Okay, that is nuclear fusion and nuclear fission. Okay, children, so what is meant by this nuclear fusion? Simply fusion means combining. Okay, children, if any two things are there, means if it join together, means we'll say it as fusion. Okay, ரெண்டு பொருள் இருந்தது அப்படின்னா if it is joined, okay, ரெண்டுமே ஒண்ணா சேர்ந்துருச்சு அப்படின்னா we will say it as fusion. So here, if two lighter nuclei join together to form a single heavy nucleus, okay, if there is two lighter nuclei and if it is joined together to form a single heavy nucleus, means okay, there will be an energy released, that is called nuclear fusion. Okay, children, if two lighter nuclei join together, okay, to form a heavy nucleus, okay, at that time there will be energy produced. Okay, there will be an energy released, that is called nuclear fusion. Okay, children, simply fusion means joining. Okay, children, so if two lighter nuclei is joined together, okay, it's combined together to form a single heavy nucleus and the energy is released, means we can say it is nuclear fusion. Okay, children, and then the next force is nuclear fission. Okay, nuclear fission, fission means simply if any broken is there, okay, if any broken in nucleus, means there will be an energy released, that is called nuclear fission. Okay, children, fusion means if two nuclei joined, okay, there will be any joining, means we will say it as fusion, and fission means if there is any broken, means we will say that as nuclear fission. Okay, children, okay, these two terms are not in your book. Okay, children, this nuclear fusion and nuclear fission is not in your book, but it is asked in your question answers. Okay, answer briefly questions. They asked about this nuclear fusion and fission. Okay, so that I had explained here. Okay, children, so what is meant by fusion? Nuclear fusion means if two lighter nuclei join together to form a single heavy nucleus. Okay, if two lighter nuclei join together to form a single heavy nucleus, there will be an energy released, that is called nuclear fusion. Okay, children, and then what is meant by nuclear fission? A nucleus of an atom. Okay, if the nucleus of an atom broken and if there is any energy released, means we can call it as nuclear fission. Okay, children, can you all understand? So the process of nuclear fission and nuclear fusion release a huge amount of energy. Okay, children, this energy is known as nuclear energy. Okay, this energy is known as nuclear energy. Okay, which is harvested from the nuclear power plants. Okay, we can call it as Anu Ulai. Okay, from that Anu Ulai, okay, from that nuclear power plants. Okay, you can see nuclear power plants in this image. Is it, children? These are all the nuclear power plants. Okay, from this only we can get this nuclear energy. Okay, children, simply we can call this nuclear energy as atomic energy. Okay, children, so by the use of this nuclear energy we can produce the electric energy. Okay, we can produce the electrical energy by the use of nuclear energy. Okay, children, this is also a source, okay, to produce electricity. Okay, children, Children, say what is the energy which helps you to hear this video? It is sound energy, is it, children? Okay, when you are speaking, we are producing sound energy, is it? Okay, if you want to hear anything means we need sound energy. Okay, children, for hearing this video, we need sound energy. Okay, so the next topic is sound energy. Okay, the next form of energy is sound energy. Okay, children, how the sound energy is produced, do you know? Simply, the sound energy is produced by vibrations. Okay, children, sound energy is produced by vibrations. Okay, children, simply, if you are saying about a music system means that is also producing sound energy. Okay, a music system produces sound energy. Okay, and if you touch the speakers, okay, if you are touching the loudspeakers means you will feel some vibrations, the children. Okay, if you didn't try it like this means just try it. Okay, if you are having any speakers in your house means, okay, just increase the volume. Okay, increase in a high volume. Okay, and just keep your hands on that speakers. Okay, you will feel some vibrations. Okay, so sound energy is just because of some vibrating bodies. Okay, sound energy is produced by vibrations. Okay, children, see this. If you are playing the guitar means what will you do? You will fiddle the strings, the children. Okay, what will happen? The strings will vibrate, the children, and then transmit energy. Okay, it produces sound energy. Okay, children, if you are playing with the guitar means that guitar also produces vibrations. Okay, that is called sound energy. Okay, children, and also if you are when you are talking, okay, just keep your hand on your neck. Okay, just keep your, while talking, just keep your hands on your neck. You will feel some vibrations. You can feel, just try this. While talking, you should place your hand in your neck, okay, and feel the vibrations. So now we know, the children, so sound energy is produced by vibrating bodies. Okay, children, simply sound energy is produced by some vibrations. Okay, children, and also, can you say any other examples of sound energy? Okay, if a glass is broken, the sound energy will produce, the children, and also if the aeroplane is going to land, okay, there will be a sound, the children. So that is also an example of sound energy. Okay, children, so we have learnt nuclear energy and sound energy in this class, the children. So what are all the forms of energy? We have learnt mechanical energy, chemical energy, light energy, electrical energy, heat energy, magnetic energy, nuclear energy, and solar energy. Okay, children, so totally 8 energies. Okay, 8 forms of energies. Again repeat: mechanical energy, chemical energy, light energy, electrical energy, heat energy, magnetic energy, nuclear energy, and sound energy. Okay, these are all the forms of energy. Okay, children, these are all the forms of energy. Yeah, children, check your previous day's homework. First one, energy due to the movement of electrons is dash, electrical energy. Okay, and then second one, plants require dash energy for the process of photosynthesis, light energy. Okay, children, and then third one, dash energy is used in microwave, electrical energy. Okay, electrical energy is used in microwave. And then fourth one, dash are used to separate the scrap iron from waste materials, electromagnets. Okay, children, electromagnets. Okay, check the spelling also. Okay, children, electromagnets, ElectroMagnets. Okay, electromagnets. Okay, and then fifth one, the energy that magnets attracts the iron fillings is called dash, magnetic energy. Okay, magnetic, magnetic, magnetic energy. Okay, children, and then sixth one, dash is the main source of energy, Sun is the main source of energy. Okay, children. Check your answers. Check the spellings, children. If you are wrong, correct yourself. Okay, children. Children, this is your class work. Okay, today's class work. Already we have returned 5 answer briefly questions. Is that, children? This is the 6th one. Okay. So the question is, define light energy, sound energy, wind energy and solar energy. Okay, light energy, sound energy, wind energy and solar energy. Okay, first of all, light energy. It is a kind of invisible energy. Okay, children. In the energy you can't realize the children இது இங்கேருந்து வருது அப்படிங்கிற மாதிரி you can't realize the children, so that we are saying it is a kind of invisible energy which gives us the sensation of light. Okay, but it gives us the light sensation. Okay, so it is a kind of invisible energy which gives us the sensation of light. Okay, and then sound energy. It is a kind of invisible energy. It is also a kind of invisible energy which gives us the sensation of hearing. Okay, children, it is also a kind of invisible energy, but it gives us the sensation of hearing. Okay, light energy gives us the sensation of light. Okay, sound energy gives us the sensation of hearing. Okay, yeah, take down in your classwork note. Use only ink pen, children. Write neatly. Put today's date and start writing. Okay, children. No need to write the heading. Already you have returned 5 questions. Okay, continue. Okay, where you have left. Okay, this is the 6th one. Children, have you all returned? And then wind energy. Okay, wind energy. Okay, it is a kind of energy which is produced due to the motion of air. Okay, children, due to the motion of air. Okay, children, you may have seen windmills. Is it, children? Okay, this wind energy is produced from that windmills. Okay, children, because of the motion of air. Okay, because of the movement of air, we can get this energy. Okay, children, this is also a kind of energy. Okay, it is produced due to the motion of air. Okay, and then solar energy. Already I said you, solar energy is the energy we get from sun. Okay, simply we can call it as sun's energy. Okay, sun liberates the amount of energy by the process of nuclear fusion. Okay, children, in sun's energy, okay, in sunlight also there will be nuclear fusion. Okay, what does mean by nuclear fusion? Two nuclei. Okay, if any two nuclei join together and if there is any energy released, means we can call it as nuclear fusion. Okay, children, so sun liberates the amount of energy by the process of nuclear fusion. Okay, this is called solar energy. Okay, this energy is called solar energy. Okay, children, yeah, take down. Children, have you all completed? Okay, and then 7th question. Define nuclear fusion. Okay, nuclear fusion. Okay, already we have learned about nuclear fusion. So children, if there is any two nuclei joined, okay, and there is any energy released, means we can call it as nuclear fusion. Okay children, in the process of nuclear fusion, two lighter nuclei join together to form a single heavy nucleus. Okay, in the process of nuclear fusion, two lighter nuclei join together to form a single heavy nucleus. Okay, in this process large amount of energy is released. Okay, that's called nuclear fusion. Okay, in the process of nuclear fusion, what will happen? Two lighter nuclei fuse together, okay, to form a single heavy nucleus. Okay, in this process large amount of energy is released. That is called nuclear fusion. Okay children, yeah, take down fast. Children, have you all completed? Yeah. Today's homework. Okay, children, today's homework. The first question, the energy stored in the nucleus is called dash energy. Okay. The sound energy is produced by dash. Okay, and then third one, energy is stored in the dash of the atom. Okay, and then fourth one, dash is used to produce the electrical energy. Take down the questions, children. Children, have you all completed these 4 questions? And then fifth one, two nuclei from the two different atoms fused and the energy released is dash. And then sixth one, dash and dash are the two main forces involved in nuclear energy. Take down the questions, children. Children, have you all completed? Okay, I have already given you a work, the children. I said you to find the forms of energy which we are using in the daily life, is it children? So that is also your homework. Okay, should write it. Okay, we have learned about the 8 forms of energy and also we have learnt about solar energy, wind energy. So children, so we are going to, we should write 15, okay, 15 materials. Okay, if it is fan means should write what type of energy it is, okay. And then if you are moving in a car means it is kinetic energy, okay. Likewise you should write, okay. So you need to write 15 things, okay, and you should mention what type of energy it possesses, okay. If it is a moving fan, okay, if it is in switched on means we can say it is kinetic energy, okay, or if it is in rest means we can say simply it is in potential energy, okay. Likewise you should write 15, okay, 15 materials, okay, which we are using the daily life, okay children. So that there is also a homework. So I have completed up to the forms of energy. I have completed the 8 forms of energy, the children. So I had completed page number 36, okay. Up to that sound energy I had completed, okay children. Read the book properly, okay children. Don't waste your time. Read the book properly, okay. Do your homework properly and write the test, okay. Write neatly and clearly, okay children. Read your book daily, okay. And thank you.